The boat's obviously running. What did they do?
This is a video of a boat incident that occurred on Lake Appetizer. Cameras were installed by VP Security. We were able to pull the footage for police resources and in case any lawsuits arise. As you can see here, this guy comes flying through the boat after he put his boat in the water. Can't control the boat at all. And this here is what not to do when you are driving a boat. Smashes the sailboat, smashes the dock. Now the dock needs to be repaired. The sailboat needs some repairs. He hit another boat before that, and he hit another one on his way out to the lake. So he damaged 3 boats and a dock slip. Another fun day on Lake Appetizer.
No, she gets in the front.
Yeah, she has
It'll
to get to the
offset the weight
front.
back.
Yeah, get to the front. Yeah.